Install an HP deskjet F4135 printer. This HP printer is a 3-in-1 printer, meaning you can scan, copy and of course, print. You can scan with a resolution of 1200 x 2400 dpi, copy with a speed of up to 20 ppm, pages per minute, for black and 14 ppm, pages per minute, for color, and print with up to 7 ppm, pages per minute, and up to 2.9 ppm, pages per minute, for color. Using a 3-in-1 printer is very convenient since you will be able to do 3 things using only one machine. The first thing to have is a USB cable. You will need this to connect it with your computer. You need to hold onto it and connect it only after the screen prompts you to do so. You need to unbox your HP deskjet F4135 3-in-1 printer and plug it in the electrical socket. After this, load the ink cartridge on the holder and snap in the cartridge holders. You also need to check if your printer has a CD containing the software needed to install the printer to your computer. If you do not have it, you can always download the most current software online at the official HP website for free. When downloading, you need to choose the full feature type software to support all the things your printer can do. HP also recommends this to ensure the best support for your product. Save the downloaded file into your computer. Make sure you remember where you put it. When the download is complete, click on the file name of your download. It would be an .exe file. Click on the Start icon, after which click on the Control Panel icon. You should see a window pop up and select the Add Hardware option. When the Install Wizard window pops up, you can follow the step-by-step instructions. You can also use the minimum type of installation of the full feature installation if you are running low with your hard disk. For a CD installation, make sure your printer is turned on. Open the CD tray and put your product CD in. There will be a step-by-step procedure for you to follow using your HP F4135 CD. If your CD does not automatically start running, you can click on the CD drive found in your My Computer folder. Once the CD is running, the easy-to-follow instructions will guide you in installing the printer. Once you finish installing the driver software, you can reboot your computer and find that it is located in the printers and faxes folder and not on the scanners and cameras. It will be inside your control panel. If you are still having difficulty setting up your HP F4135 printer, You can also check the official HP website for tips and hints. Installing a printer usually takes some effort and computer know-how. And once your HP F4135 printer is up and running, you can already begin to use the copy, scan and print capabilities of the machine, even print the photos of your friends and loved ones.